The next type of simple tissue we are going to see is the collenchyma. These are supporting tissues found in the growing parts of the plant like the leaf and the top of the stem. Okay, so these cells are actually tightly packed. There is no space in between the cells and they are usually found to be elongated. Not all the cells are elongated, but they are almost always found to be elongated and they have irregular thickenings made up of cellulose and the pectin. Okay, the irregular cell wall have pectin and the cellulose deposits. Now, these type of cells gives both strength and flexibility to the plant parts where they are predominantly seen. So wherever these cells are seen, you will find both flexibility and also the strength. So it is found in the petiole of the leaf where the leaf swings for the movement of the wind. Might be a strong wind also, but it does not gets cut itself off from the branches unless it becomes old and it withers off. The next type of cell that we will be seeing is the sclerenchyma cells. Now, the sclerenchyma cells are also a type of simple tissues which is made up of the same type of cells, and these cells are actually alive when they are young, but as they mature these cells becomes dead. How does it become dead? When they are young, these cells deposits lignin around the cell wall, that is very close to the cell wall, and slowly it loses the conduction of water or the food materials from the surrounding environment. So it becomes a dead cell. So sclerenchyma is usually referred to as dead cells. Now, what does it deposit? It deposits a specific type of polymer called as the lignin, and it is found as uniform thickening all over the surface of the cell, that is the inner surface of the cell. Now sclerenchyma gives mechanical strength and protection to the plant. Okay, they are found in the veins of the leaf, they are found in the roots, and also in the hard covering of the seeds and the nuts. Now, with this, the different types of simple tissues are over. Now, moving on to the complex tissue. Now, as the name indicates, complex tissues are structures made up of different types of cells that forms one tissue layer. Now, it has multiple functions. Since it is complex in nature, different type of cells perform different types of function like transportation, excretion, storage, and the mechanical strength. Complex tissues are broadly divided into two types, that is the xylem and the phloem. We will talk about the xylem and the phloem in the next coming classes.